Today, I'm going to show you how to install laminate flooring for beginners. It's a great DIY project that can transform any room in your house. First thing, you need to make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need your laminate flooring, underlayment, a saw, measuring tape, spacers, and a rubber mallet. Once you have everything you need, it's time to get started. The first step is to prepare the subfloor. Make sure it's clean and level. Next, you'll want to lay down the underlayment. This will provide a moisture barrier and make sure your flooring is stable. Now it's time to start laying down the laminate flooring. Start in one corner of the room and work your way across. Make sure to use spacers to maintain a consistent gap between the flooring and the wall. As you're laying down the flooring, make sure to cut the pieces to fit around any obstacles like door frames or corners. Once you've laid down all the pieces of flooring, it's time to lock them together. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the pieces together until they're snug. And just like that, you've installed laminate flooring for beginners. It's a great way to update any room in your house, and it's a fun DIY project to tackle.